This video will demonstrate how to empty your Velcro end closure pouch for your colostomy or ileostomy. You should empty your pouch when it's between 1/3 and half full. Wet some toilet paper and put it next to you. You will need wet and dry toilet paper to clean the pouch. You'll find it easiest to sit directly on the toilet to empty your pouch. Depending on the location of your stoma, you may need to lift your shirt or dress up or pull your pants down. You need to flip the tail of the pouch in the direction of your head, then open the Velcro outlet. Once it's open, pinch outer edges of the outlet opening and aim the pouch into the toilet, emptying the contents into the toilet bowl. Once it's empty, wipe the inside of the tail portion of the pouch first with dry toilet paper, then wet toilet paper, then dry it. Close the tail, folding it 3 times towards the Velcro strip. Firmly press strips together, moving left to right. When you're finished, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water.